பொண்ணு நிக்கு பொண்ணு flight. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are watching me for the first time, then make sure you subscribe below to be part of our YouTube family, and also tap on the bell icon to be notified for each and every video that I'll be uploading hereafter. So today's video is going to be my winter nighttime skincare routine, which is very simple and also using affordable products. If you want to know that, keep on watching. So the first step is to remove my makeup. For that I'm using the Garnier Micellar cleansing water and I'm removing my makeup. If you have not worn any makeup, you can directly skip to the step 2. So initially I am removing my eyes and lip makeup, that is my eyeliner, my kajal, all those stuff, and my lipstick, and then I am moving on to my face makeup. So the entire review for this product is already up on my channel. If you want, you can directly click on the cards or move to the description box and click the link and watch the video. Next, for the second step, I am using the liquid Neutregena Mild Cleanser, and I am just applying that all over my wet face, and I'm simply massaging it, and I will be washing this off and pat dry my face. You can use any mild cleanser, and this is very good for me. My skin is combination. The third step is to exfoliate. This is the DIY scrub. It's very simple. I have used sugar, coffee and some milk. So I have just mixed them and I applied it all over my face, and I'm just exfoliating the dead cells. This is a very important step. And by the way, I do this skincare routine in alternative days. If I do the skincare routine today, then tomorrow I will let my skin breathe, and that is how I do. I use this sugar scrub once in 4 days. Then for moisturizing my under eye, I use this Evion Moisturizer, and I just applied that under my eyes and also on my laugh lines, because I do have fine lines and wrinkles over there, and I just massage it to reduce the fine lines and wrinkles. It is very important to have a well moisturized under eye. Then for the night cream, I'm using Olay plus Bio Bloom's facial oil. I'm mixing these two and applying this all over my face, and I'm just massaging it in. I am mixing the facial oil because it hydrates my skin really lot. If you want to add this facial oil in the morning, you can really add this. This is a very good facial oil and I love this. Then for my eyebrows and eyelashes, I'm using the castor oil, and I am using this spoolie and dipping that in the castor oil and applying that on my eyebrows and on my eyelashes. This is just to make sure that my eyebrows and eyelashes will grow or it will get thicker. Then for moisturizing my lip, I'm using the Vedic Line Lip Balm in the flavor orange, and I'm applying that all over my lips. You can use any lip balm. I just like the lip balm that doesn't have any tint, that's why I use this. Even though this lip balm looks orange in the pot, when applied on lips, it doesn't have any tint. Yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you all really liked this video. This is my winter nighttime skincare routine, and I have not been following this for the past 10 days because I was not in Chennai. I went to my hometown, and even though I have carried all those stuffs with me, I was not able to do any type of skincare routine. I was totally stuck. I was so freaking busy over there, and I have started doing my skincare routine once again after 10 days, and that is why I have all these pimple marks, and also I had my periods recently. So yes, I get pimples during my periods. Not only me, most of you girls out there know this pain. So yep. Make sure you subscribe below if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, and also if you really like this video, give a big thumbs up. Bye bye. See you all in the next video.